Welcome back to this video. It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial on Taobao Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will walk you through step-by-step guide on how to order Labubu on Taobao Chinese shopping app. Let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Taobao, 1688, Pinduoduo, Alibaba, or AliExpress, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get straight to the tutorial. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Taobao Chinese shopping app. Having opened up your Taobao Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for product. There are so many ways by which you can use to search for product on Taobao Chinese shopping app. One of the first easy way is to come to the top right here. Type the name of the product you are looking for. For instance, I'm looking for Labubu. So type in Labubu toy or Labubu, just the keyword, and you'll see a similar result right here, just like what you see right here. Okay. So from numerous results right here, you can scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products of Labubu that is going to load up right here. However, if you have a product picture sample, what you need to do is to simply click on this camera icon right here, select the product picture from your phone album, and you are good to go. And you will see, let's say for instance, I want to search for this particular product picture. Place the product on the camera. So place the product on the camera. Once you place the product, I'm going to simply go ahead and so place the product on the camera like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply snap. Once you snap, in a few seconds, it's going to scan and you are going to see a similar result. This is another interesting way to search for product on Taobao. Okay. So from here, you see so many different product results right here. Once you are able to search for product, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and place the order. So I'm going to simply click on here to close this and go back to the search result right here. Then go back here to the home page. However, you can also search from the home page right here. Simply scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more different product is going to load up right here. It's that simple. So once you are able to search for product and you find the right supplier to buy from, next thing you need to do is to add the product to cart. If you don't know how to add product to cart on Taobao, kindly check the video out on my channel. I have made a lot of video step by step on how you can add product to cart on Taobao. So once you're able to add the product to cart, click on here to fill your cart. Then you have all the products in your cart right here. Next thing you need to do is to select them one after the other. I'm buying for this, I'm buying this, and I'm buying this. So I will scroll down right here. I make sure I buy this. And I'm buying this. Once you select everything, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So just like what you see right here, these are all Labubu I'm buying from this particular app from different store entirely right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here and choose your means of payment right here. In Taobao, there are so many ways by which you can use to pay for your goods in Taobao. You can either use your WeChat Pay, use your bank card, use your Alipay. So in this tutorial, I'm using my Alipay right here. I'm going to select my Alipay. So having selected my Alipay, the price changed to yuan right here. I'm paying 71.47 yen to purchase all these Labubu products right here. Just like what you see right here. Okay. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So allow the Alipay to connect. So here, authorize your payment with payment password. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my payment password. And in a few seconds, the payment will went through without any stress. Just like what you see right here. Payment done, successful. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to go back. So on getting back right here, all the products here is going to move out of this cart because we have successfully paid for them. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to go to my profile. I refresh my profile right here, then you'll be able to see the product we pay for right here. So let's find out. So you can see them all right here. These are all Labubu that I will just place order for on Taobao Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to order or ship product from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.